guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is really well. Today we are going to be finally decorating for Christmas and we're going to make the flat look really cozy. I'm so excited. The decorations have been in the bag for like, I don't know, over a week, so I just can't wait to get them out. I've just popped to Homebase and picked up this really lovely cushion. How cute is that? I just did the click and collect. It was so quick, so easy. To be honest, I didn't even know that Homebase was open, so I was a bit like, oh, okay. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna head home and we're gonna do a bit of a clean and then start decorating. So I'll see you at home. So I've just got home. I'm gonna make myself a delicious coffee because that is needed, and then we're gonna start giving the flat a little clean.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand.
Hi Mudge!
Smudge.
I'm vlogging!
Oh, hey!
Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents.
So this is what the flat is looking like at the moment. Nice and clean. Got some autumnal flowers. Just very standard, how I normally have it. Hi!
Hi.
So we need to go and get the decorations out of here. So far I've just got this package that I need to open, a little candle and my pillow that I picked up earlier. Christmas decorations! Woo! So excited! Get some out here then.
Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy.
Go on, be a dear.
What do you want?
The tree. This is a storage cupboard, as you can see. Oh, look at a little reindeer. Your favourite things. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. That's great. You can go there. Tree! Woohoo! You left Nigel! Nigel! Hey! Your favourite!
Hey, Nigel. You creepy AF.
He's kind of creepy, but I like him.
I hate him.
Nigel, you can go there. This little guy's so cute. So we're going to start with putting the tree up in this little corner right there. Ready?
Yeah.
Alexa, play Christmas music.
Christmas music on Amazon Music.
Hold Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good
Definitely the worst part is I'm doing all the branches so they look really like, what's the word?
Fanned out.
Fanned out.
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
I think we've done a pretty good job so far. Just for you.
Oh. Thank you.
Perfect.
Oh.
So cute. Okay. You ready for this?
Ready?
Are you sure?
No.
But first,
Beer.
Guinness. Test the lights. Even the battery powered.
Three.
Yay!
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends.
Golden white beads. I think these make a really nice effect on the tree.
Here we go. Alright. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance. Have a good time. Dance. All night long, we're gonna dance. And have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.
This is our small collection of Christmas decorations. Look how cute this one is. This is one of my favourites. A little camper van with a tree on the top. Cute. Penguin. Ow. Pretty sure I named all of these.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling.
My best friend Dan, who's currently in New Zealand, this one is for you. I know you can't be with us right now, but you can be with us in a form of a Christmas decoration. There you go.
It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day.
The tree's finished. Really happy with it. Are you?
She's a bit.
Oh, so nice to have it up. I think now, before we do all of the home decorations, we're gonna have some Guinness.
Hey, barkeep. How about another one of them?
You want some more?
Yeah.
I learned how to pour Guinness in Dublin. Did you know that?
No.
I got a certificate. And the art
Certificate
is...
for pouring a beer.
Yeah, because there's an art to it. You have to have it at an angle and pour the Guinness around there, and then wait till it gets around to this mark, 3/4 of the way full. Then you have to leave it to stand for about a minute and a half. And then you pour the rest in upright like that.
Show me.
Did you know that?
No.
I'll show you. So normally on a Guinness glass you have a harp. So you aim for the harp.
There's your first mistake there.
No, it's not. That's real. That's legit.
No, but it's not a Guinness glass though.
No, but yeah. But if you have one, just pour it in like that, and slowly bring it up. Then leave it for about a minute and a half.
Ponder why you're doing this, and then
Do a little dance. Make a little love. Get down tonight. Once that minute and a half is up, you just pour it in. Like so. And that is how you pour a perfect pint of Guinness. Cheers! So pretty! Look. Okay, let's do this, let's do this. Right, autumnal leaves. Oh, these are so nice, but it's time to change. Let's put these lovely wintry ones in here. Oh, that's really tall. I'm gonna have to cut that. That is so tall. Look how pretty that is. I wonder if that's a good size. Oh, that's a nice size. Oh, look at that.
they're buddies, aren't they?
They are so nice. And that will go in there. Oh,
Yeah.
that's really lovely. Should I just leave that long?
And we're going to cut that to size in 3, 2, 1.
Yay! So happy with how they look. They're just like Winter Wonderland in a vase, right?
Yeah, love it.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come. See the snowflakes fall.
So the last thing I need to do is to unbox this package, which I got from Amazon today. It is a light up tree, like a twig tree. So I've saved it till last. So we're going to open it now and set it up. That is not big. Whoa. I had no idea how this was going to come, so interesting. It's pretty much already made up, it's just in bubble wrap.
To have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it.
Let's move it to where it should be. Get rid of these. There you go, where you belong. So it looks like I need to pull the branches out just to make it look a bit more realistic. So let's try not to break this whilst I do it.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time
I
of
love
year.
it.
It's
Like a little
beginning
dead
to look
tree
like
with lights on it. It's so cute. Okay, So I think that is all of my decorations done. So it's time for a nice cup of tea in my Christmas mug. You want one?
Yeah.
Yep, cool. And to enjoy the scent of Christmas.
Day. What a feeling when it's time for
We are gonna sit back and relax and enjoy a nice cup of tea and some cookies.
An ice cream.
An ice cream. You finished that whole pot. Almost.
Alright.
I've not had hardly any. One spoon. Anyway. Cue the montage in 1, 2, 3. How cozy is this idea? If you don't have a natural fireplace, just stream one from YouTube. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed making the flat all nice and cozy and Christmassy with me and Adam. And yeah, I'm a little bit exhausted, so I'm gonna just wind down and enjoy this fake fire and go to bed. Like the video if you enjoyed, and also please subscribe if you're new and if you'd like to see more. So on that note, good night, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.